We are heading to the State House where insurance rates keep climbing and climbing, and it's hitting everyone from homeowners to small business owners as well. Well, tonight lawmakers say they're ready to get some answers for everyone. A new committee is digging into why rates seem to be spiking and what can be done to bring them back down. News 19's Josie Frost joining us right now from the State House with answers.
The committee was tasked with looking into why insurance rates are so high. On Tuesday, lawmakers heard from a number of insurance agencies on what can be done to cut costs.
Mainly the car insurance has gone up.
Jim Watford is one of many South Carolinians facing rising insurance prices.
I got another bill on something else just the other day, and it's going up too. So where is it going to stop?
And it's not just car insurance. Home and health costs are climbing too. That's why a special legislative committee is digging into the issue, hearing directly from insurance companies on what's driving the spike and what could help lower costs. Representative Gary Brewer chairs the legislative committee.
We have to make sure that we are helping put that downward pressure on those rates, making sure that more companies come here to do business, the more companies create more competition. So there's a lot of things that we have to look at.
Insurance agencies say that inflation, rising claim costs, and big payouts all play a role.
Simply put, the cost to handle and settle insurance claims continues to rise, and that cost is paid by all policyholders.
An insured who engages in bad conduct doesn't have to pay the punitive damages. They're paid by the insurance company. How does that punish or deter the bad actor? You're not punishing or deterring the bad actor. You're punishing an insurance company wasn't the bad actor, and those costs get passed on to other South Carolinians in the form of higher premiums.
But some weren't convinced.
But let's just say we took all of your suggestions and we implemented all these new policies and laws and things from a state perspective. Would that guarantee that premiums will go down in South Carolina? That's what it sounds like here today is, hey, fix this situation for us, but yet your rates probably, we can't tell you for sure or for a fact that the rates are going to go down.
The committee is expected to meet several times between now and the end of the year with the hopes of drafting legislation when lawmakers return to the State House in January. Reporting at the State House, Josie Frost, News 19 WLTX.
Josie, thank you. And lawmakers passed a separate bill to address liquor liability insurance rates. We've talked about that. That also went into effect earlier this year.